Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my training. I wanted to do a quick video on some of the main reasons that I like to use Google for business. I kind of just wanted to touch base on a couple things that have been very helpful for me and for my clients. As you know, I am a marketing consultant and also a marketing trainer. And so the clients that I've had, some of the most amazing things that have helped their business is Google, different things that are available to them through Google. And so we're going to get started right now. The first thing is I'm going to go to the search bar and put in a business um, that I worked for before when I spent time in Florida. As you know, I spent several years in Florida. I'm in Jersey. I'm a Jersey girl now, but I was in Florida for a while. And this museum, it's called Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse and Museum. I assisted the marketing director there. And so I always use them as an example. They're pretty fantastic. If you ever go to Florida, make sure you check them out. And so what happens is I just put them in the search bar. I put Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse and Museum, and they came up to the right of the screen. You see this, how they came up? And photos came up, and also you see the GPS is connected. And down here it has their reviews and website directions, save and call. Well, all of this came up because they are registered with Google. This is one of the main things from the beginning that I like to encourage my clients to do for their business so they can start developing a presence on Google. And this is through Google registration, and this is free, by the way. So I'm going to scroll down, and you can see their events are on here. They have different posts on here about things going on. Q&A are on here so they can engage their audience. Reviews are on here. Their social profiles are connected. So this is the first thing that you want to do that I encourage every business owner, small business owner, or huge corporation to do to help their business. The way you do that is you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to put in Google My Business. And it comes up, Google My Business, drive customer engagement on Google. You see that? So I'm going to click on that. And this is the page right here. This is the page that I want you to get to. This is the Google My Business page. This is where you register with Google. Anyone can register with Google. If you make blankets or quilts that you're selling in the wintertime because it's cold and you're not fully registered, you don't have an incorporation yet, you don't have an LLC yet, you can still get on Google My Business and start operating your business and getting clients and customers. So I want you to know that you can start where you are and get on here. Start now, and it allows you to build along the way. They actually have an area for if you don't have a website, they'll help you, they'll give you a website template in the meantime. So definitely check them out. When you come over here, you're just gonna click on Manage Now down here or up here as well. And it takes about, it's less than 10 minutes. You just need your business name and an address to give them. And this address is so that they can verify that you are a business. So this is really so they can send you a postcard and verify that. And then once you get registered, this is what it looks like on the cell phone. This is what it looks like mobilely. It comes up in the center of the screen. And as you know, a lot of times when we see this, we just hit directions right from here, from Google, and then we make our way to the location, to the store. So we may not even make it to the website. A lot of times people will see a business right here on Google and go directly to the store or call the company directly without even getting to the website. So this is really fantastic because you get to meet the customers where they are and meet them where they are. If everyone is on Google before they even get to the websites, then we need to be on Google to meet them there as well. And plus, we want our business to come up when someone's looking for, let's say I owned a bakery and someone is looking for cupcakes or cookies. I want my business, my bakery, to come up. And the same thing, so this is what we want. This is what we all want. This will help our business from the beginning, and this is free. The thing that you pay for with Google are the ads. You don't pay for anything else. This registration, this business profile is free. And again, it takes less than 10 minutes to do. That's it. That's it. So when you get a chance, go onto Google and then go to the search bar and put in Google My Business, and you will get to this page. And just select Manage Now and get right on it. and then come back and let me know how it worked out for you. Thank you for watching our video, and I'll talk to you soon.